Yo, there's a boy.
Wimwaga muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Maybe TV ngwireka haha niho mucii wiigue wi mucii ningetwo Muru wa Kimanu thutha wa Karangũ wa Mũraya gukorwo agitrend a Kenya amwe makiuga niaregete guteithia Wairimu riri mũrwaru gĩthũri riu niarite akauga we ndoi Wairimu ni mũrwaru amu gutire mundu umwirite ndeto ĩyo. Karangũ augite akorwo ni ma Wairimu ni mũrwaru aneo kare nake ni akumuthondekithia na mbeca cia Kenya mwene na Kenya matikaigua akimetia ona ciringi kuona Wairimu ni mwana wake. Ni ndumiriri ire yagiuka thutha wa video ukionekana he mutumia etagwo Lea Nyaboke uria akiukaine ni magikoretwo hakuhi muno na Wairimu akirekereria video haria andu marakimuria atiri kigwa githiri atia na Karangũ akiuga ni aregikaraga na Wairimu. Video ire yagituikire ya kuchambura kiduye ndumire githweri andu maragichambua na njira mwene akiuga ati Karangũ hihi ni Wairimu akihuthagira niguo kegwatire kindu keguthomera mawoni ma andu no before guthomera keguthomera ndumiriri iria Karangũ akirikia kurekereria haria na mbica cia hau gatene cia Wairimu atakimuoete na after gukimuoya haria gukionania changes andikire na ugatiri na githungu. So that today I'm trending because of this beautiful girl. I want to bringing her into my life. I will thank God in every situation. If it is true that she's unwell, please I request that she be brought to me right away. I will take her to the hospital at my expenses, and you will never hear me asking for even a coin for the member of public. Wairimu forever remains to be one of my daughter. Agicoka haria ndika ti horo otoria akiuga riu ngwenda guthomera mawoni ma Kenya igwire tuna tamosesera ugatiriri kwani hamkai pamoja nowadays. Akiuria haria ungi akimwira atiriri Karangũ silent is the best weapon no ndigwiciria ndangihotire gugikira tondu kuringana na andu uria marakiaria ni maraihuriria ciugo muno ngiaga kwaria makuga niguo hena ho ni tuoka atiriri Karangũ, you have overwhelmed supported many including this girl. It's not the time to give in to discouragement because there are many other lined up to be helped through you with the mighty God. Wakiona hena angi marakimumiriria tondu onagitindo gigika wega hena andu matakionaga kana ni ureka wega na wagika uru kana kauru kanini magagitenderithia muno. Hena ungi agwitwo haha Pauline akauga atiriri it is true she's unwell. We met her in a certain hospital where I had taken my mother on Saturday and she was not well. Quick recovery to her. Namaoni ngũrani ma a Kenya magigitara Karangũ wa Mũraya. Hihi woni waku ni uriku kumana na video ino kana uhoro wa Karangũ wa Mũraya na Wairimu? Tiko comment hau mwe na gushare Miaki na Maybe TV. O ihinda ringi ni twakiumagara.